Welcome to the RinFire tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to use the RinFire Somatosensory gaming gun on PC. First, find the control center. Then, plug the control center into the computer's USB port. Note that the power of the gaming gun must be off. Visit the RinFire website by typing www.rinfire.com.
Click to download. Click RinFire Assistant Installer. After downloading, install RinFire Assistant. Once installation is complete, you can launch RinFire Assistant. This is the interface of RinFire Assistant. From the left panel, you can select your gaming platform. For common PC games like Call of Duty, Battlefield, and Fortnite, choose the PC platform. These games share a common feature. The crosshair is fixed at the center of the screen. Arcade games or light gun games, such as The House of the Dead, Time Crisis, and Haunted Museum, require selecting light gun mode. These games feature a crosshair that can move across the entire screen. After selecting the platform, click Gaming Gun Profile. Here you can modify the mapping values for each button by clicking on them. After making the modifications, you need to transfer the updated content to the gaming gun's control center. Click Sync to Gaming Gun to synchronize the modified content to the control center.
Once the settings are complete, we can launch the game we want to play. After entering the game, power on the gaming gun. Once we enter the game, we can already use the joystick and buttons to control the movement of the character. But we cannot use the somatosensory function yet. Every time before we use the somatosensory function, we need to perform a crosshair calibration. First, you need to point the muzzle to the center of the screen in the position that you'll use to play. If you play like this, calibrate it like this. If you play like this, calibrate it here. Press and hold the mark button on the gaming gun, then the control center will make a beep sound. Wait for the sound to end, release the mark button, and you can use the RinFire gaming gun. Now that the somatosensory function is available, you're able to use the gaming gun properly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.